IONIQ 5 will change the paradigm of electric vehicle customer experiences, accommodating diverse lifestyles without constraints. IONIQ 5 is a space where you can spend quality time, much like the living room of a house, spacious and welcoming. It provides a wide range of customizable interior options, as well as all the benefits of eco-friendly mobility. How did we achieve all of this? In IONIQ 5, we extended the wheelbase, slimmed the cockpit, installed a movable console, and completely flattened the floor to create a roomy, customizable interior. The console can be pushed to the rear, removing any obstacles between the driver and front passenger. And rear passengers can also access the wireless charger and tray simply by sliding the console. The second row seat also slides forward for a more interactive riding experience between the passengers in the front and rear. And the seat memory function will make your preferred passenger and cargo configurations easy as well. Let's look at the sustainability of IONIQ 5. IONIQ 5 uses environment-friendly materials such as eco-processed leather, recycled yarn and biopaint for the interior. In addition, the vehicle-to-load capability allows IONIQ 5 to be used as a power source, so customers can use the electricity stored in the battery during outdoor activities such as camping, and it's powerful enough to run home appliances. IONIQ 5 offers the ultimate in-car experience while ensuring safety. The advanced head-up display system provides driver assist information and safety-related warnings in either augmented reality mode or normal mode based on user preference. The autonomous driving technology of IONIQ 5 allows drivers to enjoy features like automatic lane change, deceleration in curves, and proactive accident prevention. Autonomous parking handles both diagonal and parallel maneuvers. The Camera Monitor System, or CMS, is a digital side mirror that we are introducing for the first time on a Hyundai model. It assists drivers by providing the most optimal viewing angles and eliminating blind spots entirely. IONIQ 5 will accommodate lifestyles without limits, proactively caring for customers' needs throughout their journey. It is truly the first electric vehicle to provide a new experience with its innovative use of interior space and advanced technologies.
A new mobility experience and next generation. More specifically, a new mobility experience for the next generation. This was the mission from the first day we began this project. To look ahead towards the horizon, but stay fundamentally Hyundai. The new IONIQ 5 is evocative of the icon that defines Hyundai's design DNA. Hyundai design embodies a 45-year journey of being part of people's lives. This is the new definition of timeless, a common thread linking our past to the present and future. The interplay of the parametric pixels represents the visual identity of the IONIQ 5. Analog detail that cradles that creativity of digital pixels. This alone illustrates that we left no pixel untouched. The straight-cut monocoque design creates a clean, pure exterior surface. Parametric dynamics in perfect, precise execution. The unique proportion of the IONIQ 5's EV typology shows extremely short overhangs and a 3-meter long wheelbase, 100 millimeters longer than our flagship Palisade SUV. This 3-meter wheelbase allows more freedom that was never possible before. What this means is a completely new dimension of interior space. By reassembling the driving controls, space opens up for new opportunities. We even have two recliners and a universal island that can move to the spacious second row. A perfect place to recharge your home away from home. And yet, there's more. Look around, touch the surface. The eco-friendly recycled materials and warm color tones complete a comfortable, inviting environment. Surrounded in this soothing space, you are reminded of the sustainable future that has arrived and the story tells. Hyundai's contribution to saving our planet. With the IONIQ 5, we take a bold step into the brave new EV era, an ambitious statement of Hyundai design DNA.
With IONIQ 5, Hyundai has taken its customer-centered approach to product development further than ever before. At the center is E-GMP, our Electric-Global Modular Platform. E-GMP provides IONIQ 5 with powerful yet eco-friendly driving performance, impressive driving range, strong safety features, and more interior space. E-GMP is also developed with safety being the single most critical factor. For passengers' protection, E-GMP has an ultra-strong structure that disperses collision shock away from the passenger cabin and prevents it from deforming. Thanks to E-GMP, IONIQ 5 offers 400 to 800 volt multi-charging, and it can high-speed charge up to 80% in just 18 minutes, or add up to 100 kilometers of driving range in just 5 minutes. IONIQ 5 is the culmination of years of R&D, which brings together our most cutting-edge technologies for a spacious, eco-friendly mobility solution. Please stay tuned for this outstanding IONIQ 5 and a whole new journey you can enjoy. Thank you.